Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, the Lotus Doll Shop's Balanced Lifestyle channel. Today I'll be sharing with you my recipe of fingerling smothered potatoes with turkey sausage and fennel. If you follow my Instagram at L.A.L, you'll see that Dre and I have both been trying to lighten up our meals just to feel a bit healthier and to prepare both of our bodies to be summertime fine. He wasn't able to walk after a foot surgery for a while, so he couldn't get any exercise, and I gained a little bit more weight than I anticipated after my hospital stay due to lupus. So we're both working towards kind of getting fit. So check out how I made it and give it a try. It was really delicious. It's the kind of meal that's hearty enough to be filling, but light enough to be healthy. Check it out. My fingerling smothered potatoes with turkey sausage and fennel. It's hearty enough to be filling, but light enough to be healthy. It's one of my lighten up meals. You should try it. It's really delicious. So everybody, I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give me a thumbs up. And if you're doing any shopping, check my boutique out over at the Lotus Doll Shop on Poshmark at Lite'N, L.A. And make sure you check out my affiliates in the description box as well. Thanks again for watching. Bye.